unfiltered up they stream, straight from the heart of the Pimcore team. Breaking the mold, we're bringing it new, knowledge and power directly to you.
Welcome to another episode of Pimcore Insights. My name is Patrick. I'm product manager at Pimcore, and this time I'm joined by
Nebojša, I'm a software engineer at Pimcore. Hi, Patrick.
Thank you very much for your time. Nebojša, this time I'd like to talk about the Pimcore installer because lately we improved the installer, and now I'm wondering, can you tell me what the problem was with the old installer? Why did we improve the installer?
Yeah, so the improvement of the installer is a part of the initiative we have here at Pimcore, which is called Improving the Developer Experience Initiative. And one of the first things that we noticed that it can benefit from the improvement and that we could do it is the improvement of the installer. The old, or let's say the legacy installer that we had prior to 2026.1 was one giant monolithic architecture for the installer. It was a pretty big class which was split into a couple of different parts, and it was scattered along also a bit of other YAML files which have been glued together, and yeah, it was not very let's say it developer friendly. So we decided to improve it a bit. We implemented a new interface, which is basically a PHP class, and then you can just pass it via flag to to an installer, and it will use it as a single source of truth for the installations. Yeah, so it's ease up the usual things like deployments in the CI/CD pipelines. You can tweak it to your own needs. If you have your own ways of installing Pimcore, or if you have some images that you're producing for Docker, like the already baked in ones, and that kind of stuff. So we hope that you will like it.
For me, that sounds like in the past you had to edit multiple files, different locations, and now there's one file where you can do
Shell
all of this.
scripts and
Yeah,
some other stuff. It was manageable, but now it's a more developer-friendly way and yeah, standardized. Let's say it like that.
sounds interesting.
Yeah.
Can we have a look at it? How does it look like?
Yeah, I can show you one. Give me just a sec to share my screen, entire screen. Hopefully it's there. So basically what we are seeing now is the installer profile for our public demo, which I hope many of you already know. It contains a set of our enterprise bundles together with the public bundles that are already available for community, and it basically shows how you can bundle everything together up for this kind of installation. So you enlist all of the bundles that you want to use, and then what else? You can define variables type of environment variables. So you have like a secret ones, you have the string ones, which is DSN. You can also add your own types of the vars. You can get you can include also, if you have prepared already SQL dumps that you need to install, that you need to run on the install, you have them also there. If you need to run some specific post install commands, you can also run them with the installer. If you need to filter out some some commands, for example, if you already running them in a different steps of installation, some other commands you can filter out them there, but for that you need to go to check the specifics of the class itself, so that you can see what exactly you can use. But it's very well documented, and yeah, I think it will be fairly easy to play around with it, to extend it to your own needs, and to use it for your own projects in a let's say more helpful way that it has been so far.
Another question, was there also change in the duration of the installation itself?
Yeah, now it's since everything is bundled together in a one class, or within the one step, it's also improved the installation duration, but it can also I cannot give you like a real numbers, because it's also there is a unknown variable of how many things you are doing, how many things you are changing. Yeah, but it's improved. That's for sure.
Nice.
Uh,
Is there anything else noteworthy?
Well, with this initiative of the improving developer experience, this is like one of the first steps that we are doing for this installer profiles. There will be more things to come. So keep an eye on our platform releases, on our GitHub discussions. I'm sure you will find some interesting stuff there.
And also keep an eye on the Pimcore Insights. So do not forget to subscribe. And yeah, Nebojša, thank you very, very much. Very interesting topic. And see ya. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Patrick. See ya. Bye bye.